In the quest to lose fat and achieve a healthier body, most people focus solely on physical strategies like diet and exercise. But what if your mind could be your most powerful weight loss tool? Welcome to the world of visualization and affirmations, mental techniques that harness the power of the subconscious to accelerate fat loss, build consistency, and transform self-belief. Backed by scientific studies and real-world success stories, this mind-body approach is more than motivational fluff. It's a proven strategy that can work alongside your physical efforts to get faster, lasting results. What is mind over matter in weight loss? Mind over matter refers to using mental strength and intention to influence physical outcomes. In fat loss, this means leveraging tools like visualization, mentally imagining your ideal body, habits, and success. Affirmations, repeating positive statements to reprogram subconscious beliefs. Mindfulness, being present and conscious in your choices around food and activity. These techniques aren't just for athletes or elite performers. Anyone can use them to strengthen motivation, overcome cravings, and stay on track. The science behind it. Can the mind influence fat loss? Yes, and it's backed by research. Study 1. Visualization boosts exercise and diet adherence. A study published in the Journal of Obesity, 2014, found that participants who practiced mental imagery related to weight loss were more likely to stick to their exercise and diet plans. They reported greater consistency, higher confidence, improved body image. Conclusion: regular visualization helped participants feel more in control and capable of reaching their goals, key factors in long-term fat loss. Study 2. Affirmations reduce stress and promote health. Research from Carnegie Mellon University found that self-affirmations reduce stress, which in turn helps regulate cortisol, a hormone linked to belly fat retention. When stress levels decrease, the body is less likely to store fat and more likely to burn it efficiently. Conclusion: positive affirmations can support physiological processes that aid fat loss. How to use visualization for fat loss. Try this short, daily practice. Find a quiet space. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Visualize your ideal self. Imagine how you look, feel, and move. Picture yourself eating well, avoiding all types of fat-producing foods, enjoying workouts, and feeling confident. Engage the senses. See your reflection, feel your energy, hear your inner cheerleader. Do this for 5 minutes a day, ideally in the morning or before sleep. Tip: make your visualization specific. What you're wearing, where you are, how you feel. Powerful affirmations for weight loss. Repeat these affirmations daily, preferably in front of a mirror. I am becoming stronger, leaner, and healthier every day. I make healthy choices with ease and confidence. I am in control of my body and my habits. Every step I take brings me closer to my ideal self. Pro tip: write these affirmations down and post them where you'll see them, your bathroom mirror, fridge, or phone screen. Why it works. Rewiring the brain for success. Your subconscious mind drives 90% of your daily habits. When you repeatedly visualize success and speak empowering affirmations, you create new neural pathways that make healthy choices more automatic. You stop seeing fat loss as a struggle and start experiencing it as a natural expression of your goals, identity, and self-worth. Final thoughts. Don't just sweat, think. Visualization and affirmations won't replace diet and exercise, but they supercharge your results by aligning your mindset with your mission. When you believe in your ability to change and see it clearly every day, you remove the mental roadblocks that sabotage progress. Mind over matter isn't magic, it's mental fitness. Train your mind like you train your body, and watch the transformation unfold faster than you thought possible.